Manpreet, can you please tell me what is your educational qualification?
Yes, sir. I have done MBA in Finance and Marketing from Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. And during this graduation, I have also done 6 weeks training in Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company. Earlier, I have completed BSc in Computer Science and 12th in 70% marks and 10th in 80% marks.
Good. Now, when did you complete your degree and when did you complete your MBA?
I have completed my graduation in 2013 and I have completed MBA in 2015.
Acha. So you are
Yes,
married.
sir.
You are married, no?
Yes, sir.
So what is your husband doing?
My husband is a clerk in Treasury Department.
Yeah, you told me. Yeah. How many kids do you have and how do you manage, say, household responsibilities and also for preparing for exams?
Actually, I have no kids right now.
Acha.
But yes, sir. So
Household,
I managed.
household responsibilities and this one, how do you manage?
Okay, sir. Firstly, I completed my household chores in morning. I ready breakfast for my husband and my family members. Then I started studying at 9 o'clock, and I continuously study for 4 or 5 hours, and then I started also cooking at 1 p.m. and I rest for 2 to 3 hours, and then again I started studying from 5 p.m.
This arrangement you have been having for how many years so far?
Actually, earlier I was doing job in private institute. There I was teaching and to those students who are prepared for the government jobs. But now I left this job because I think if I guide the students to I help the student to get the job, then why I don't prepare myself also. So I left this job and started preparing myself for the
Since
government jobs.
when did you leave the job? I am asking, since when are you
Yes, sir.
only preparing for exams?
For 1.5 years.
Only one and a
Since
half years. Yeah. What is it
yes,
you
sir.
were you were teaching spoken English for them?
No, sir. I just taught them English subject. Just only grammar rules. I taught
Gram,
them only grammar
yeah,
rules.
grammar rules. Very good, very good. Now, how keen are you in joining our Bank of India?
Bank of India is very reputed bank. It is a public sector bank of India, and it is a very it is a
No. See, actually, for this question, the answer could have been yes, I am very much keen. I am too keen to join in Bank of India. Then they will ask you why. Then you can explain about the plus points of Bank of India, that it is an institution for so many years. It's a public sector undertaking. Like it has got so many branches, so many zonal offices, so many employees, like that. If I want to tell that afterwards, you can tell that. You follow?
okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So did you go through the details of, say, balance sheet and all of Bank of India? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No. Then I will not ask about that. I will ask general questions. Please tell me, what is banking?
Banking is a financial institution where where bank accept the deposit and give credit to the people.
Yeah,
And they are also doing
1 minute. I am on call has come. Let me just attend to that. That fellow has been trying me for 2, 3 days.
okay,
Mm.
sir.
Just a minute. Hello. I am Sambasivan from Canada. Regarding that, say, are you appearing for some bank exams? Which exam? Acha. Then you please WhatsApp message through 90030375557. जो नंबर पर आपने पहले कॉल किया था, I can't handle it because I am in Canada. वो तो इंटरनेशनल कॉल हो जाएगा, इसलिए आप उस नंबर को व्हाट्सएप में डाल के जमा मैसेज कर दीजिए. उसका पहले आपने 499 रुपीस. Yeah. Acha, please remit 499 rupees to 90030375557 GPay or PhonePay or Paytm and send a screenshot to my number 90030375557. All contacts through WhatsApp only. Thank you. And today class is there at 7 o'clock. If you want to join, if there is a class at 7 o'clock, if you want to join that, send a WhatsApp message. Then I will send a link for the class. Thank you. Yeah, I was talking to Manpreet. Manpreet, yeah. Manpreet, can you tell me what are the responsibilities of a bank officer?
There are many responsibilities of bank officer. Like they have to open the saving accounts, current accounts, and if they if he or she is a credit officer, they have to make application for the credit, make loan applications, and they have to check the credit score of the customer, and score of the customer, that he is a credit worthiness or a default, and they have to check the history of background of the customer, and they are also financially stable, so that he or she can repay the loan or not. So these are the responsibility of the bank officers.
No, but you can also tell some more things like you should try to help the customers fulfill KYC
Yeah.
formalities.
Yes,
Then
yes.
opening of account. Then, as you rightly said, assessment of credit proposals, taking of documents, disbursal of money, and follow-up of the facilities. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, you said your husband is working in treasury.
Yes, sir.
Did you ever ask him what are the functions of treasury? Who is the head of treasury? Who is the minister in charge of treasury? What functions are they doing? And what way they are connected with people? This type of questions you ask him and get to know about it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now coming to banking, please elaborate about current account to me. What is a current account?
Current account is account which is opened by the businessman, and they open this account for the record of transactions, what they are what money they are receiving, and what money they are paid, and for this purpose, banks also charge the service rents, and for the proprietary company, they also give the debit card, But for some limited companies, they do not give a debit card.
Good, correct,
Uh,
correct. Whatever you said. But then you should also tell about that the minimum balance prescribed here in current account is higher than the balance kept
okay.
in savings account. There are no restrictions in number of
Yes,
withdrawals or transactions.
transactions.
Then
Yes.
the service charges are levied on this account and bank pays no interest on these balances. This account
Okay.
is transferable from one branch to another. This can be operated by them through internet also. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. Very good. You told me this correctly. Have you gone through the website of Bank of India? कुछ ना कुछ देखा कभी?
नहीं, अब भी विजिट नहीं किया है.
अब अभी तक नहीं गया. कोई बात नहीं. Now, can you please tell me
But
what are the major problems facing? You are in which state?
nowadays, people of our state facing the unemployment.
No. You are in
And
which state? You are in which state?
अच्छा, I'm from Punjab.
अच्छा. पंजाब का पीपल का होने वाला प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है जी अभी?
Nowadays, people are facing unemployment
हम्म
problems,
हम्म
and
हम्म हम्म
there are some poverty also.
हम्म हम्म हम्म
And they also not aware about the some sir, actually.
Punjab has two
I'm
major
not very
problems.
sure.
Here they are telling Punjab
Yes,
has
sir.
two major problems
Yes, drug system,
intertwining
the main.
religion and politics, over exploitation of groundwater. Unless resolved, Punjab has bleak future. Resistance to accept the reality and change has led to the present situation. I am giving this link in our Bank of India WhatsApp page. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but just go through this. Why should I select you for this recruitment?
As because I have
आप या
a good
चाहिए तो आप अंग्रेजी में सॉरी हिंदी में भी बोल सकते हैं बट पता नहीं है वो फुल इंग्लिश में होगा हिंदी में होगा पता नहीं है सो यू प्लीज
yes, sir.
try it in English because managing in Hindi is not a problem for you at all. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell me, why should I select you,
Thank you. Yeah.
Manpreet? Yeah.
Actually, sir, I have a good communication skills, and I have a good leadership skills. Uh, lead. I can lead the people, and I can guide them in a good way. So I think I have a good. I have a good knowledge, and I am a good learner. So if you guide me, then I will learn quickly, and I will implement on my work as soon as possible, and I will give you the best result
Super.
in my job role.
Good. Good answering. I'm really happy about this. Now, can you please tell me what is a debit card? What is a credit card?
Debit card and credit card is a plastic money. We can use we can use for online transaction, and we can also use in the ATM transactions. And for the credit card, we can get credit easily. And when we buy things online, we can credit. We can use credit card uh, uh, for paying the money later. So these are the benefits of credit card.
Can you tell me whatever you know about RBI?
Yeah. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. It's a central bank of the India, and it's a banker's bank. It
Hmm.
is it's established in 1935, and it is a regulatory body of government of India, and its chairman is Shaktikant Das, and there are four deputy governor, MD Patra and TB Shankar, Tirabi Shankar, and Swaminathan Janki Raman,
Hmm.
and the
Rajeshwar Rao.
fourth one is M.
Rajesh,
Rajeshwar Rao.
Rajeshwar Rao. You told Shaktikanta Das as chairman, but he is governor.
MD. Okay. Oh yes, yes, governor.
He is the governor. Who is the chairperson of our Bank of India?
Rajneesh Karnatak. Mr. Rajneesh Karnatak.
Mr. Rajneesh Karnatak. Correct.
Yes.
Can you tell me what are the major responsibilities of RBI? What are the various functions they are doing?
They control the banks of India, public sector and private sector banks of India, and they also control the money supply in our country, and they make the monetary policy. They also maintain the monetary policy rates, like they set the repo rate, marginal standard facility rate, and reverse repo rate, CRR, SLR. They are all set by the Reserve Bank of India, and they also control the foreign exchange reserves.
Yeah,
It
what is
also
the
maintain
present CRR rate?
present repo rate. Repo rate is 6.5%.
I am asking CRR rate.
Okay, CRR rate is 4.5%.
What is the present SLR?
18%.
What is the present repo rate?
6.5%.
What is the present reverse repo rate?
3.35%.
Good. You have been able to tell me correctly. Please tell me how many public sector banks are there in our country?
There are 11 public sector bank and one nationalized bank.
12 public sector banks. 1 minute. Hello? இல்ல கால்கேட் தான் வேணும். நீ வந்து நம்ம ஷாப்பர் ஸ்மார்ட்ல கிடைக்கும். ஷாப்பர் ஸ்மார்ட்ல இருக்கு. சரி சரி ஷாப்பர் ஸ்மார்ட்ல வாங்கிக்கோ, இல்ல மெட்ரோல வாங்கிக்கோ. Hello, what was the question I was asking you?
Yes, sir. Public sector banks.
You
in
did
India.
a mistake. There are 12 public sector banks, including State Bank of India. Why did you
Yes,
commit?
actually,
Why did you commit this mistake?
Actually, I separately asked about the SBI. 11 public sector bank and one nationalized bank. That is
No. Ulta.
Okay.
All are public sector banks only, and these 11 banks are considered under nationalized banks. State Bank of India is considered under State Bank of India Act separately.
Okay, sir.
How many RRBs are there? 43.
This is no. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Best wishes. We'll meet again afterwards.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Yeah, I am.